Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Thanks everybody guys. Today again we'll take a look at the gold market now, a second video. So as we said, in our weekly research hardly we will see any significant action while market will stand inside of the triangle. And also we said that probably gold market will stand inside of it until we will get major driving factors. So I think that today is the last warning session because tomorrow it will be more interesting. It will be also ADP report. We'll get Fed close to the end of the session. Tomorrow we also will get the Bank of England solution, and on Friday we will get non-farm payrolls release. Well, probably this mass of the important information should be sufficient to push gold market in one or other direction. But while we are waiting for that, we could watch just for some intraday swings. Just make some anticipation of the possible action, forecasting what minor target gold could reach. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, market mostly stands in the downside channel, and take a look that actually the upper border of this channel holds very well. So despite these possible attempts to move high and even recent action that we saw here, market wasn't able to break it up. So no bullish reversal swing has been formed, so market keeps tendency of the lower highs and lower bottoms. It means that currently really some doubts exist that market will break it up, but if this will happen somehow, its most probable target, as we said, will be AB equals CD destination point that stands around 1283 resistance. So this is confidence level, confidence resistance, and weekly pivot resistance one. Right now market is flirting with the weekly pivot. As you can see, it makes mostly overall sentiment here indecision because market doesn't move in any direction, so mostly stands around it. Our yesterday candlestick triple 2 sell pattern has worked nice, so you can see we said that actually we have candlestick triple 2 and market could turn down immediately. Right now, if market will not be able to break this resistance of this trend line, as we have estimated on the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see this resistance of the channel, right? It's most probable that market will drop down back to the lows around 1266. So this could be another ABCD pattern down, because previously, as you can see, market many times has formed significant acceleration its way up, but later failed to break it. Resistance of this line. So the same here we could see, although we have this acceleration up, but market definitely has met some barrier and can't continue move higher. So it's here, if no breakout will follow this trend line, in this case market could drop down again back to lows. But what is more important, that on the daily chart we will be watching for exit from this triangle, because the direction of the breakout probably will point the new direction on the medium-term perspective on the gold market. Currently, guys, by the fundamental picture, by the overall situation that we see, it is more probable that we will get downward breakout, because the gold is trading in relation to the United States dollar and recent data, United States dollar gross domestic product, consumer sentiment, the confidence. All of them show very good numbers. Recent non-farm payrolls as well. Besides, on the common non-farm payrolls release, we probably should get some relief of the hurricanes in the southern states, and that why some upside surprise could happen. Very significant upside surprise. That's why it probably could make the impact on the gold market as well. It's also, as I said, the dynamic of the interest rates and the bonds market United States also is pressing on the gold market. That's why, guys, from that standpoint, it is more probable to get a downside continuation here. But we will see what will happen. Right now, as you can see, not a lot of interesting stuff stands right now in the market. So some kind of the ABCD could be completed here in upward direction. But my suggestion is that until we will get some important data release, at least some data release, maybe this will be Fed comments, well, maybe this Bank of England decision somehow will impact on the gold market. I don't know. Hardly market will abandon this channel. Until this will happen, probably will stand inside of it. By the way, as a result of this ABC retracement, we could get some minor guardrails triple to buy, so upside bounce here still could happen. So you can see this will be opposite pattern. Here we have guardrails triple to sell. This was the drop to the 618 support or 618 retracement. So now we could get the guardrails triple to buy. This could become also some retracement here. At least right now we would not see something else on the gold market. So just minor patterns, minor action inside of the channel that we have on the forward time frame chart. So let's see how major driving factors will impact on the market.